Ay,
Ha?
ano po?
Abel, ano ito pala? Abel lang. O, sige. Intensity. Okay? Okay, good morning. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and are called on to find a reason to renew our own commitments to each and everyone who is near and dear to us. Okay, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? At kumontra ating wedding apo, no awan, let us continue. O, tadalking nga one, please. Abel, ang tamamtiin man na. Sumang. Okay. Then C, are you here of your own free will and volition to buy yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Abel, are you here of your own free will and volition to buy yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be?
Yes.
Sige nga duwa. Do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? Okay, sige. Pati naman nga, gala. Sige, Abel, will you have Dency to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes.
Dapat mangagda. Dency, will you have Abel to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes, Mayor.
Okay, sing kakiriwaran and follow after me. Muna ka, Abel. Sing ni Dency. Bagam baga, okay? I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Okay? Pakasewat lang, then see, follow after me, bagam baga. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Yes, Mon? Manay. Sige, sumango kayo ito yung man. Ma'am sir, anabit payo. Ito pa lang, may isang pensa. Payo, kinwish niya kasama. Sige, baga mo.
Di maipagak niya yung aginayat kayo tungkol yan. Aday ti problema yung titunggal may sa pagtungtungan yung pinasay at hanggang di talaw-talaw.
Aginayat kalat kami.
Namit payo ko ngayon.
Kanya ka kanyang kaubi niya.
Ayunan nyo.
Automatic kasi. Sige, ito yung man. Sumama kayo ito na. Namin, hindi baga. Kaya kasawa.
Gusto kanya na ngayon na maandal pa kumadyanak lang na isa. Ado tipada, ado pa nga anak da. Gusto nga ginayat na kumanggan ng katay.
Sige, sumama kayo sa likod. Lagay kay inong-inang singkes. Taka naman. Wish tayo din kasal. Kasi kayo.
Gusto lang kanya yung mga bunga. Kapag matawag na kayo. Nagka-problema yun. Ang dami yung mga pag-iba ka ng problema. Okay yun.
Pagpagulat ang kuwari, di pag-amo. Alakan ko.
Sige.
May bagakang kanya yung sabay lang ko mata inayang hayat yung katong pagbiyak kaya mo daw ang dungtong ng panubo sabay lang ko mata na lampasan yung ang data data lang pinipara kanya yung ading hayat kayo ang kanya sinsina tap mo tikas agad may lapat yung panagbiyak ay kailang pinaibarat kanya yung congratulations.
Thank you.
Di ba ngayon sa amin ah. Congrats ka ngayon, Aberkin. Di importante din ang din po natin na ginaya timay sa kanya yung tatimay sa kang may yaday pipitag gapay ti kwa tapos kita kami din yung badi na kayat ni Abel di mo rarami daw kasi naman timay densi kung hindi na kayat mo di mo rarami din tanong kosta Abel ti apa
Nakabili naman din yung kasakan.
ikaw din mo kanya
Tapos ako makakala.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Sinula lang.
Lang lola, dati mo may pagkakita na kayo. Naging nayak kayo, kung pagyagyo, kung runaan na una, hanggang makalipat niya ako, pero pag-isubat, kung runaan naman subay-subay ka na kayo, dahil naman may pagkakanyayo, ako, at sinisingkot kayo, tumulong sa kanyayo, salimot mo tayo ng magkita na pamagbaga, kitaganak yun. Kung kang runaan na, bagita ang nakyo, ano kung may gagay kayo ang kadet. Kung may pagkakanyayo, sabi ko man niya, ako gusta, tagabayin na kayo, kitunggal, panag, ruaryo, kaya pa niyo panagtrabaho, bahay kailangan ng may pagkakanyayo.
Thank you. Oh. Sige mga tuwa. Yung hindi mo naman yan. Abel, both hands. Oh. Oh, tatamat, Densi, anamat vows, promise mo to your husband.
Sa kaya ko mga ng ano sa pagkalit sa akin. Sa kaya ko mga kainda na lumakay ko na makapagpa si Karap natin sa hindi na. Pinagsaklap ako na ikipa natin na hindi na lumakay ko sa ayaw ko sa
Thank you. Oh. Tatamat, Abel. Oh. Namat promise mo, kinvows mo, kinidensi as a husband.
I love you ma.
And one affection from this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better
for better
or for worse,
or for worse,
for richer
for richer
or for poorer,
or for prudence,
in sickness
in sickness,
and in health,
in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish
until we be parted by death.
until the
This is my solemn vow.
bow.
Vow. Shortcut. Shortcut. Very good. Well, let's see. Follow after me. Okay? I hereby take you, Abel Anthony,
I hereby take you, Abel Anthony,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we depart by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn.
Okay? Gawin na siya iba na. By the virtue of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have been contracted into and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Okay, we may now kiss the bride.
Ang mabay ko pala
Hindi, kiss kayo talaga. Balik pirma na to. Oh, kiss kayo. Sige, wait, nag-picture kinyo. Picture ng kiss ta. First kiss. First legal kiss. Oh. Oh, sige, oh. Ibagayo na go. Sige kayo ang go. Oh. Okay, pakipirma. Kaya di ninong nina, ag witness kayo man nagpirma na jay, certificate of marriage na ako. Reach ni Sam. Anything for pictures? Muna ako, di parents. Tayo, parents. Seven to 7, no? Anim?
5 ko ngayon, tapos isa ko ngayon.
Tuwa ka no, walang naman mo. Pakicheck man mo. Congrats. Congrats. Picture tayo, picture.
Smile. You smile mo.
Ninong Mina. With the family. Di camera yung ko ma. Ito po si camera. Ay, ito kayo. Ito yung still. Ay,
Jenny, oh.
Yan ako picture.